Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from a zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount. This I have is a made in Shokunin, which means craftsman. This is a craftsman by ramen by Nissin. This is what is it? It's like a hot and sour Tanmen. Yeah. Now we got a bowl or a pot with the water for it because I had to take it apart. As you can see, this is one of the fancy noodle blocks. And then we've got veggies, so that'll go into yes. Vegetables. And this one's 4 minutes. There we go. Lid on top. So, how are y'all doing? Oh, thank you, Mira. Now, thank you, Miles.
You're welcome.
It's very kind of you. So we shall see if the children comply. You must comply, Mimi. Which means, be nice, be quiet. That would make me super proud and happy. And then you'll have your school in about 13 minutes, okay? Alrighty. So yeah, it looks like we're not going to get everything done. The third review is one from Thailand that I'm really excited about. But that one takes a little more than like a minute and a half. Anyways, let's do our Momofuku. No, go, 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 go. Out. Hot stuff in the kitchen. You're sneaky. You guys have fun. Play. I'll be out there in a minute. We'll have tablet and school and all that. You see that? Sneaky little. Anyways, Momofuku Endo Speaks is a book of quotes by the guy who invented instant noodles. We're on number 102. Man, that last one I have, the one on the show that you saw yesterday, the Thai one, the Jub Jub. Ooh, it's still got a burn on it. Number 102. You cannot catch any fish if you cast your line in a place where there are none. That one's kind of a letdown. I get what you're saying. Pardon. Constantly ready dose. Yeah. Drive me frickin' nuts. Oh, no. Dismiss. Yeah, this should only take a couple minutes. What we got? 1 minute and 21 seconds. Yeah, it's been a pretty good day though, but God. My leg's still bugging me. Oh, here they go. Did you see that? Might be able to see that. He's being really, they're both being kind of, they're kid friendly. They're not always parent friendly. But that's okay. It's what they do. It's their job. It's alright. I can live with that. 45 seconds, and it's 12:50 in the PM on the 8th of December, I think. Christmas is coming. Winter is coming. We got the Christmas tree up. Coated in Star Trek ornaments. If anybody wants to buy me a Christmas present, I know you're watching this way after Christmas. I want this thing. It's a machine that you basically you take the stalks spring onion. I think you can put leeks in it too. But it makes them just the nicest, thinnest, perfect little rings. I asked for it last year. Nobody got me that. They're like, you really don't need that. You just need the scissors that do that. I'm like, don't tell me what I need. I lust after that thing. You don't understand. That's like the coolest thing ever. A machine that I could just put a stalk in and go and have those like the perfect. The thing is with the scissor ones that have like multiple sets of scissors in one, those things are neat, but they just crush anything they come in contact with. And the cool thing about that machine is there's like no pressure. They just slice, dice, julienne. Yeah, it's a beautiful thing. Makes me happy. God. And that's getting harder and harder these days, I swear. God, the next episode I do, I should tell you all about my fun time with the bookshelf and trying to make it so it'll be up so I can put our shoes underneath it. Literally, seems like a basic thing, but it has been the biggest pain in the butt ever. I could make this a swearing episode, but I won't. Maybe the next one. Probably not. I really haven't done a swearing episode in a long time. Even though YouTube likes to decide to put parental, age restriction on my videos sometimes. And they're like, you know, I appeal it. And they're like, oh, well, sorry, yeah, we didn't, it was a... So they're testing something that basically they're asking, you can do that. You can do this for us. We're not even really going to ask you. We're just going to tell you this is how it goes. All right. Fancy noodle. Let's give it a try. They stay separate. They have a nice tooth. Good texture. Look at that. That is elegant. I really like the balance of the vinegar. It's not too much. It's not too little. It just works. That is groovy. If you can find this stuff, it's good. And yeah, this came in a Zenpop box. I think this was probably the highlight of that box. I'll have to look again. It's from the October box. What do we got here? I don't have any eggs today, which makes me tear up. I wish I did, because I really like to do the egg action. But we do have chashu, and I'm running out of that too. It's time to make a trip over the old Ajimai. And there is a wave on the ocean of life. Mimi doesn't like those kind of references. Spring onion right there. Yeah, that sounds right to me. How about a piece of narutomaki? That sounds sensible. And it's Tanmen, so not this one. I gotta use the black one. The black one just goes better with like Tanmen, I think. Ooh, I've gotta hurry. It's time to hurry, ladies and gentlemen. And I need a little bit of, what do you call it, some shichimi. Stop screaming, children, it's gonna be okay. Here we go, here's some shichimi. Mimi's having a tantrum because she wants a star belly from Santa Claus for Christmas. Oh my god. Alright, one moment. Let me torture the children. Rotato. What is going on out here? Who wants a timeout? I don't want a timeout. I don't want to listen to screaming and yelling. You guys want timeouts? Zip it! I think we could get rid of that bunny rabbit. Goodbye, bunny. Then stop. Then just stop. You guys are having fun. I'm gone. Ladies and gentlemen, they just go for the throat every day in my sanity realm. They just take everything that I am and that I have, take it and throw it to the four winds. Anyways, yeah, this is a good one. I like it a lot. Recommend it. But yeah, go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code Ramen Raider, and you can get a box that has stuff like this in it. So, yeah. Anyways, yeah. I might, after her class, come back and do the other one today. I don't know, we'll see. Alright. Don't go change it. Bye-bye.